Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So yesterday was pretty much a sort of a down and up day, still stuck in the range. We do have a lot of overhead resistance above us, and this level that we're busy flirting with at the moment, 18662, is obviously a key level. If we just drill down to the weekly, you'll see a very bullish picture. So strong move up from late last year, most of this beginning of this year. Then we went sideways, and that sideways is pretty much a flag, a very big flag, but that's the flag. So, you know, we clear this zone that we're playing with at the moment, and we'll look at it in more detail on the lower time frames. But you have a strong bullish setup that is brewing. So when you look at it on the 8 hour, you can see it starts big down, big up within the flag. You can see there's the flag, big down. Now we're flirting with the top of the flag, and as I said yesterday, this zone is very critical, because if we reject it, you go potential for a move all the way to the bottom of the flag. But if we hold it, you've got a fairly decent setup that is brewing. I'm just going to add one more level in, in fact 2 levels. Just want to bring this pin bar into play. We've got this pin bar in play, and then we have fairly decent level of support. So that's on that pin bar. Just above that pin bar is another pin bar right there. So pin bar, and pin bar. So just bringing those levels into play, and then we can start drilling down to see where the opportunities are. Nothing really went on yesterday, as you can see. We're just going sideways as I suggested, but I would have thought we would come back to structure to actually get an opportunity to buy into it. Didn't quite materialize, and you can see here, if I just fine-tune this one level, see we missed the opportunity. There was nothing really there. There was nothing that allowed us to even think that we were going to climb. So at the moment, this is sideways for me, and this is the bottom of the range. That's 18,554, and the top of the range, you know, I can bring it down to one of these levels, but we've got this diagonal above us, this top of the flag, or diagonal resistance above us. So I'd rather use this level at 18,662. So those are the 2 levels we need to pay attention to. Break the upside retest, you're looking for longs. Break the downside retest, you're looking for shorts, down to 18,464. I don't think there's anything going to change on the 15 minutes. Nope. Typical Monday price action, just absolutely nothing going on. So that's kind of my view at the moment. We need to clear this 18,662. We need to clear it convincingly, come back and test it, and that would give me the opportunity to look for the longs. Apart from that, I don't think there's much else. The daily was green, so I'd expect this to continue, to be honest. I don't think we're going to reject this area at the moment. It's been a strong move off the bottom of the flag, so if we do reject it, should reject back onto support at 18,550 and 18,460. Come back, build support, and then try again. That's the only other opportunity or alternative setup that I see. But I think for me, break and retest is what we want to play. Not looking at anything else. So watch this level, 18,662. You need a decent break. You need a decent pullback to come and test it. You can see all the daily pin bars here. There's 2 there. There's 2 here. 3 here. So it's very strong area of resistance. We break through that, I think it's going to be quite explosive. Anyway, that's kind of me. That's what I'm waiting for. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.